Open the sheet to enter data. You can manually enter data into the sheet by typing. Enter the data into the column fields. Once you have entered the data, click the Save icon to store it in the sheet. The saved data will be stored as a row. Now, enter the data by scanning the barcode. First, write the item name. Now that I have the item ID barcode in hand, click the scanner icon to launch the scanner. Click the scanner icon to open the scanner, scan the barcode, and retrieve the barcode values. Now, enter the remaining data. I have entered the data into the sheet and would like to preview it. Click the preview icon to view the sheet. And that's it. I hope everyone was able to understand the steps to enter data into the sheet. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.